let it all go. If we let it all go, it's called free fall. It's called free fall. Kind of the devil and the devil say, hey, why you been kind this late?